Hello everyone, please welcome and join me Easy Steps Cooking. Please click on the bell icon. You will get all the notification of my new videos, and let's get started. Today I'm going to share with you very tasty, delicious, nutritious and easy recipe, Pinjiri. Pinjiri is very healthy and very nutritious, and you can eat any time of the day. These are organic whole flax seed, and in typical Punjabi we call it Alsi. 1 cup flaxseed, Alsi, Besan 1 cup, brown sugar 1 cup. I'm going to use light brown sugar. This is the darker brown sugar, so that's going to give you darker color. Superfine almond flour 2 tablespoons, coconut powder 2 tablespoons, raisins 2 tablespoons, 1 cup almond and cashews, 2 tablespoons charo goond, char goond or goond. This is strictly optional. 1 teaspoon fennel seed, saunf, desi ghee, and this is also optional. This is gold. You can use brown sugar or gold, whatever you have available, and 2 tablespoons water. Without wasting any time, let's start making our delicious, tasty, nutritious Alsi ki Panjiri. Get a kadai and we're going to start gas. And first thing, we're going to bring cashews and almond, and we're going to dry roast them without any oil. So we're going to do it like a couple minutes. This is good enough. And now we're going to take them out and set it aside. I'm going to bring desi ghee, 2 tablespoons desi ghee. As the desi ghee heats up, we're going to bring goond and we're going to fry them. And this is all done. Turn off your gas and take these out in a plate. Get a non-stick fry pan. We're going to bring flaxseed, Alsi, and we're going to dry roast them. It's a good idea. Keep them moving, and it's going to take a couple minutes. So keep them moving so they don't get burned. All the crackling noise coming up, and this is all we need. It doesn't take that long, it'll just take a couple minutes. So we're going to turn off the gas. The pan is still hot, it's a good idea. Put it in a separate plate. If you leave it inside the pan, then chances it can get burned. Once it's going to cool down, then we're going to grind them. After taking out the goond, I'll bring besan. Mix it well and keep cooking until it's nicely cooked. Initially we added 2 tablespoons desi ghee. I'll bring 1 more tablespoon. So altogether we use 3 tablespoons. We're going to keep cooking our besan on medium heat. This is what I'm going to do with Alsi, the flaxseed. We're going to put it in an ultimate chopper and we're going to grind it really well. And then I'm going to use a mandolin slicer to slice the almonds and cashews. So first we're going to bring Alsi. So we're going to put the flaxseed, Alsi, inside the ultimate chopper. Put the cover on and we'll start it. It's not going to take that long. We only did it like 10 seconds, and look at this, it's nicely done. I'm going to do it 10 more seconds. So within 20 seconds, this is nicely grounded. This is all we need. This is all done. Now we're going to work on the almonds. The almonds and cashews. Put the cover on and we're going to chop it. This is perfectly done. This is all we need. Get a fry pan and we're going to prepare. We're going to bring the brown sugar and 2 tablespoons water. Mix it until it's nicely melted. We're just going to see it start bubbling, and that's all we need. Then we're going to turn off the gas. This is perfect. Our chasni is ready. As you can see, the besan is almost cooked. It starts to turn brown and we're still cooking on medium gas. And now I'm going to bring the gas to low. which is simmer, and keep moving, because once it starts cooking, it will cook real fast. As you can see, it's changing the color really fast. And also, it's a nice aroma. Now I'm going to bring all the things inside. First, I'm going to bring the fennel seed, salt, and raisins. And mix them well. Once it's nicely combined, then I'm going to bring the goon. Mix them well. And this is the time you just press it. This is the reason we fry them, because now it becomes so brittle. As soon as you press it, it cracks open. It becomes like a powder. And now we will bring coconut powder, almond powder. Mix them well. And now I'm going to bring Alsi. At the same time, I'll bring almonds, cashews, and now we're going to mix them well. Our gas is on simmer. Once it's nicely combined, bring chasni, the brown sugar. Now we're going to mix it well. So once it's nicely combined, this is how it looks. This is the perfect measurements. And now we're going to turn up the gas. If there is any big lumps, just break it open. And once it's nicely combined, and now we're going to transfer this one into the plate, and we're going to put it on big plate. It will cool down fast. Pinjiri is nicely done and it's cooled down. I'm going to dish out. I will share with you. Look at this. This is very nutritious and very healthy Pinjiri. Please try it and you're going to like it. And please comment below how it turned out for you. And if you like this recipe, like always, like, share and subscribe Easy Steps Cooking. Thank you and have a good day. Bye-bye.